Temple of Hadrian is located in the central area of ancient Rome. The construction of the building was commissioned by the Emperor Hadrian for his wife Vibia Sabina after her death in 136 AD, but was completed by his son and successor Antonius Pius by 145, who dedicated it to the deified Hadrian. Hadrian ruled from 117 to 138 AD. According to the historians, he is considered one of the 5 good emperors of Rome who successfully governed the empire under the guidance of wisdom and virtue. The temple consisted of 8 columns on the short sides and 13 on the long ones. It stood on a high podium accessible from the east side via a stairway. The down here is the street level of ancient Rome. We can see the full height of the podium. The construction techniques shows how they use the material according to the requirement. A full block of travertine stone sustained the weight of the columns, and they used bricks where the load is not focused on. Over the pillars, we can see the lion face with a small opening in its mouth. They are drain holes for rainwater. Yeah, of course, it doesn't work now since the roof is no more slant. The pillars are blocks one over the other. To hold the blocks, they had metal pins near the circumference. Due to fire and earthquakes, the temple got damaged and people used it as a quarry to get the stone and metal. Only this north face is left from the old temple, and the building was reconstructed in 1753. From 1873, it has become the headquarters of Chamber of Commerce. Inside the building, there is an auditorium which is free to access, and witness a 22-minute video that retraced the events that took place in the neighborhood area of the temple, a mirror of the overall evolution of the city of Rome.